happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. It is the first day of the weekend vlog. I have just finished the weekly vlog. So if you've seen me in the weekly vlog, I'm wearing the same thing because it is the same day. It was actually a few minutes ago. So don't worry, I'm clean, I'm fresh, whatever the case may be. So on this weekend's vlog, I'm actually in the kitchen cooking. Oh. Why are you walking so slow? Why are you walking so slow? Oh. It's a vlog. It's like real life. Did they have Eggland's Fest? Oh, okay. No, but they look decent. No, it don't matter. I just thought you prefer Eggland's Fest because I do. I don't like cheap eggs. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, you getting ready?
Just wait at 8 o'clock. Ain't nothing to do just right now.
Oh, okay.
They did the decorations. They look cute.
Okay, well that's good. You took a lot of
stress off of me.
Baby, you running around at the last minute.
Yeah, like, well, man, that's fine.
So it started at 8.
And then I just got, the only thing I gotta do is run around and pick up the chicken wings and pick up the stuff I'm getting from Sunday.
Yeah, so that's all I'm doing. Just recording. I just finished up the weekly vlog. I did like a little trial haul. I bought me some cute stuff from Express. Girl, let me show you my little Valentino shades. I'll be back, lifestyle lovers. I need like my battery. It's going dead, girl. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So I'm not sure where we left off before my girlfriend came in, but she was bringing me some more ingredients because she's having a celebration for her husband tonight. So she has asked me to make a pan of seafood salad as well as a pan of chicken salad. So after she left, I just, kind of finished up. I'm not done. I'm in the middle of making a seafood salad. The chicken salad is done. But I'm gonna tell you guys, my mom, she was a cook. She's one of the best cooks that I have ever known. She's no longer, here. She passed on. But when she was here, people would call and they would ask me, Erica, call your mom and ask her will she make some seafood salad for the party or whatever. Anytime they were having something, they would call me and ask my mom to make some seafood salad. And I would call her, she would always do it. Okay, I'll make it, just get all the stuff, whatever. So once she passed, people would ask me because I had been in the kitchen enough to know how she did it, what she put in it. And for a while, I would make seafood salad when people would ask. Sometimes people would pay me to do it. But when you're making huge pans of salad like this, it's work. So I do not like to do it. I am going to be honest. But, my girlfriend, she asked me to do it. I don't have a problem. That's my girlfriend. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm spending the first half of my Saturday doing. I have a recipe here on my channel for my chicken salad. It is the bomb. That video didn't get a lot of views. I don't even think it got 1,000 views, but I will link it if you guys want to try it. Definitely recommend you trying it. My girlfriend, she's actually going to make some chicken sliders out of it. So I just made the chicken salad and she's gonna get like some Hawaiian rolls and just kind of played it like that. But it is so good. It's good on crackers. It's good with the sliders, with the Hawaiian rolls. It's good on English muffin with avocado. My chicken salad is so good. So you guys who did not try that recipe, you're missing out because it's good. So yeah, I just wanted to check back in with you guys. Right now I am getting ready to, what am I getting ready to do? I'm getting ready to saute the bell peppers and onions. I add bell peppers and onions in my seafood salad, but I hate when bell peppers and onions crunch in my mouth. So I am going to saute them in some butter just so they're softened enough to, you will have the flavor, but you won't taste them inside the salad. So I'm not gonna like go step by step, but I will kind of share a little bit of the process with you guys. So that's what I'm doing. I have my Pandora on, so if you see me jamming, I'm just in here cooking and listening to my music.
Good morning, lifestyle lovers. So today is actually the next day, Sunday, May 23rd, and I am starting off my morning with my daily devotional as well as a cup of coffee. And it reads as follows. Do you ever find yourself suddenly aware of your own glaring weaknesses? Aware that if left up to your own good works, you wouldn't stand a chance of attaining salvation? We should find great comfort in the fact that we are nothing without salvation in Christ Jesus. When we know our weakness, we are more aware of our need for His strength. When we put ourselves in a position of humility and ask Him to be strong where we are weak, He is delighted to help. You don't have to ask a knight in shining armor twice to rescue his princess. And the prayer for today is, Jesus, I humbly acknowledge that I could not rescue myself. Thank you that I live a life that you have redeemed and are restoring. Lift me up in strength today. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So I made the decision that I really need to stop procrastinating on the powder room. It's time for me to start completing this project. So I am just going ahead and sanding down some holes that I patched up prior, and I'm going to get started painting today.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so it's probably about 24 hours later. I wanted just to give you guys a look of the powder room. I do have to go back in. I just want to show you some areas where I have to go back in You may or may not can see them on camera. I'm not sure. That's an area right there where I need to go back over with the paint. But this is how it looks. There's another area. So this is pretty much how, oh crap. Let me see. Give you guys like a wider angle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is how it looks from this angle. I'm thinking that I may have to redo this wallpaper over. As you can see this right here, this is actually my first time seeing that. That wasn't like that when I painted it, but I may have to do that over. And I may just bring in some help because I tackled this by myself and I probably should have had help. But most of the hard part is done. I have to get some screwless plates for the switches. This is actually where the towel bar was. It was like a long towel bar, but I am gonna have a large piece of abstract wall art that's gonna go here. So I don't think you'll be able to see that once that wall art is there. And I actually need to go quite a bit over here. So I do have to, it's not completely done, but this just kind of give you guys an idea of how it's looking. This is where the toilet tissue will go, and I think I am going to use, I haven't decided yet. I think I am going to use black hardware because I am going to have a bar for the toilet tissue holder, and I think I'm just going to have one hand towel bar there. But you know, it's going to be a white towel, and of course toilet tissue is white, so it'll kind of blend in with the wall. So this is pretty much how it's looking so far. See if I can give you guys. So yeah, so I'm probably about halfway finished. As I stated, I have to go back over those spots, and then the trim will be painted as well. I just placed the mirror back up just to give you guys an idea of how it looks along with the lighting and the mirror and the sink. I'm actually gonna turn it this way so you guys can kind of see it from that particular angle. But I think I'm gonna add some lights to the back of the mirror to like this part. That way it'll kind of illuminate. I'm gonna add some strip lighting. It'll be like a bright light, so it'll kind of give the illusion that the mirror is illuminating. So that's what I pretty much plan to do. You can also get those on Amazon. But that's pretty much it for this vlog, lifestyle lovers. As I stated, I'm about halfway through the powder room process. So just stay tuned for any updated changes. The only thing really left now to do is, of course, clean up the paint job, the baseboards, a few hardware pieces, the abstract wall art, which is probably the most expensive piece that's needed. And as I stated, the wallpaper needs to be redone, and I actually need help with that. But now that the wall is painted, that should be easy, I'm hoping. But that's pretty much it for this vlog, lifestyle lovers. It probably was not that long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment,
subscribe. Let me know what you think of the updated changes. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.